how to create a seller account on eBay. And for those of you who want to sell pretty easy, just follow these steps. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to, if you have a Chrome or if you have a Microsoft or Bing, so you search for eBay, you see? So I've already searched for eBay and this is the first thing I'm saying. So we're going to click on this first link, or you can just type in www.ebay.com. All right, so we are on eBay right now. So the first thing we're seeing here is I, Olumide, sign in. So because I have an account already with them, so I can sign in whenever I want. But since you're someone who's going to need to sign up a new account with eBay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to sign in. So right here, we're going to create a new account. So it says sign in to eBay or create a new account. So since we're new to eBay, we're going to create a new account. You can create a personal account or a business account. Depends on how big organization is. A small organization or a small business, you can create a personal account. But if you're a big business or a middle-sized business, you can create a business account. So for me, I'm going to create a personal account. First name, you enter your first name, last name, and the email you want to use for this account. Okay, so and you enter your password. So once you're done with the password, you create the personal account. But if you don't want to go through this step, you can just continue with Google if you have a Gmail or Facebook or your Apple ID. So, but I'm going to create an account with my email and password right here. All right. So add your phone number. You're going to input your phone number. I'm going to input my phone number. And they're going to send you a code. So you're going to check the code on your phone and input the code. So now you've created an eBay seller account. But to get started selling, so here's what you have to do. Right here on the top of the website, you can see ship to sell watch list my eBay. You can click on selling or click on sell right here. You see? Click on sell. So where we are. Make money selling on eBay. Sell your item fast. Millions of buyers are waiting. You can learn the basics. List your item. You can list new or used item. Pay final value fee only when it sells. Get seller protection. Choose when you get paid. So you can schedule either weekly or daily payouts. You deposit your earning directly into your bank account. Write a standout title. So you just have to go through these processes. You have to read everything. Then to list your items, to put your items on eBay, to sell them, you click on list an item. Here we are. So what kind of item are we gonna sell today? So let's say you have product you want to sell or bag. Let's go with Nike Air Force Ones. Okay. Alright, there we are. You have a Nike Air Force One you want to sell. Top picks from the product library. You can just pick one of these products and click continue. Is it coming with a new box, without box, with defects, or pre-owned? So whichever one it is, you click on it with box. Provide your contact info. All right. Anywhere you are in the country, you provided your address, completing our listing, we've already put it on eBay that we have a Nike Air Force Ones to sell. So you can take the pictures, or you can find stock images online if you don't have the equipment to take the pictures and put them on eBay. So you can just get some stock images. But if you have the images on your computer, you just upload from your computer, then you bring the images, so you upload them. Okay. And if you have a video, inner side, the box and everything has to go, you take pictures from your computer, you put it. So you see, you have to have most of these things saved on your computer. So then the next thing you have to do is the name of the Air Force, the size. You put the size here, item category. What category does this item fit into? It fits into clothing, shoes, and accessories, men or women, whatever. So you put it there. And then item specifics, color, the size, the brand, everything. You list everything from here. So after listing everything, you make sure you list everything correctly. You list it. So listing it is what makes other people able to see your product and then click on it and buy it. So you list it. But before listing it, you can preview, define up what it's going to look like. All right, here we go. So this is our product. This is what our product is going to look like. US to $28. Buy it now for $70. People are going to bid. The highest bidder is going to take it. And some people are not going to bid. They're going to buy it instantly, $70. So now that we've seen a preview of what our product looks like, now we can go to the payment section. It is very important. It is very important that when you before listing your product and everything, it is very important that once we're done with listing our products, just click on the eBay link and it's going to bring you back to the main page. So once you're back on the main page, we're going to come to this place that says My eBay. Then you scroll down to Selling. Okay. Now that we are here in Selling, you can see the overview and everything on the account, the amount of product we've sold, the amount of product that we have active, and the shipping of items and everything. To manage the payment options, you come down here to Payment. Okay, you come down here to Payment. It says Welcome. This is where you can add and delete payment options. You have to buy and sell on eBay. So continue. Okay, so we're gonna add either a credit card or debit card, add payment options. We're gonna add a debit card or credit card, so you're gonna input the the details of the card and everything here. Alright, you've added the credit card successfully. Now that you've added the credit card successfully, then now we can go back to activities, or we can go back to seller dashboard. We're back here in activities. Basically how to set up your eBay seller account and manage payments. So now we can go back to the main page. Maybe if you don't understand something in this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section below, and I'm gonna reply to you as soon as possible. Let me know what you need and leave them in the comment section. If this video really helped you a lot, make sure you subscribe. It really helps the algorithm, and leave a comment down in the comment section below.